Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am going to show you how to save a location on Google Maps. So, let's get started. First things first, open your Google Maps app on your smartphone. Once you have Google Maps open, now select the location. For this example, I'm going to save the location of this place. Just tap on the location you want to save, and you'll see a red landmark indicating your selection. Now click on Save and then choose New List. Give your list a name that makes sense to you. You can also make this location shared or public for easier access, but I'm keeping it private. Click Create, and you're all set. To access your saved places later, simply go back to Google Maps and click on Saved. Here, you'll find the list you just created. Click on it to see your saved location. And there you have it. You now know how to save locations on Google Maps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.